Electronics firm Samsung is flooding an entire advert break with 3.5 minutes of a washing machine spinning round. Britain's longest ever ad will make its one and only appearance in a commercial break during Channel 4 show Gogglebox on Friday night. The hypnotic footage is intended to highlight how Brits drain their lives away by waiting to complete everyday household tasks. The average Brit wastes 88,904 minutes 62 days watching their washing go round and round, a new study by the firm reveals. In the time wasted waiting for their laundry, they could instead learn a musical instrument like the piano to grade 5, or become fluent in a foreign language, researchers say. While each individual household wait may be only a matter of minutes, the cumulative loss amounts to huge chunks of time, researchers led by leading statistician Dr. Jeff Ellis found. By surveying 2,000 UK adults about their weekly waits, they discovered that we typically lose 312 hours 13 whole days per year waiting for things to finish in the home. It all adds up to an astonishing 820 days or 2.25 years of waiting over a lifetime. The worst waits across a lifetime are for phones to charge, 135 days, and post to arrive, 85 days, they found. Phone queues, 57 days, computer and phone updates, 54 days, ovens heating, 45 days, tumble dryers finishing, 44 days, and water boiling, 41 days, are also tedious time wasters. Dishwasher cycles waste 41 days, downloading box sets and microwaves heating food each take 36 days, and baths filling with water goes on for 31 days. Other domestic waits include for heating or aircon to come on, 30 days, Wi-Fi to connect, the boiler to heat water, each 29 days, toilet cisterns to refill, 27 days, mirrors to demist, 21 days, and toast to pop up, 20 days. Brits are most bored of phone queues, cited by 39% of the 2,000 adults surveyed. Next come computer or phone updates, 35%, followed by waiting for kettles to boil, 32%. Almost as irritating are the waits for ovens to reach the right temperature, 26%, microwaves to ping, 25%, phones to charge, 25%, and washing machine cycles to finish, 22%. Completing the top 10 pet hate waits are toasters and baths, each 21%, and the arrival of post, 20%. The research was commissioned to mark the launch of the Samsung Quick Drive, which Samsung says completes its wash cycle in 66 minutes faster than most machines. Friday's arresting ad features the new machine, while displaying the hashtag #LifeStushit. Mark Seaman, Samsung's head of domestic appliances, said, "It is eye-opening to see how much of our lives slip down the drain as we hang around waiting for things to finish around the home." QuickDrive is the fastest and smartest Samsung washing machine ever made, and this commercial shines a spotlight on the performance of the machine itself to create a mesmerizing spectacle where art meets technology. Pete Clark, Channel 4's agency principal, said, "Dedicating an entire ad break to showcasing nothing but the new QuickDrive in action will deliver good clean entertainment for Channel 4 viewers."